Guys, you know it's Valentine's Day. Yep, it's Valentine's Day. And Taya had to go to work. Can you imagine that on Valentine's Day? But listen, typically we normally celebrate each other on Valentine's Day, just cook and, love on each other, celebrate each other. So unfortunately, Toya had to work today, so we kind of decided that we weren't going to do nothing today, but she's at work. So it now I just go, so I may have something up my sleeve. You get me? So I have this big surprise for her for Valentine's Day, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna head to her favorite pastry shop, right? Nothing Bun Cakes, and get her some cupcakes, right? Then I'm gonna get her a gift for Valentine's Day, right? And I'm gonna make her a special dinner for when she come home tonight. You know what I mean? I also have a very special gift for her. More of a sentimental gift, you know what I say? A sentimental gift. So the thing is, when she come home tonight, we're gonna stop her down at the foot of the stairs. I'm gonna say we, I mean me and the kids, cause they're in on it as well. Stop her at the foot of the stairs. I'm gonna have her bathe in the kids' bathroom because I'm gonna decorate our bedroom. I'm gonna put a blindfold on her and lead her in the bedroom. Show her the bedroom. Then we're gonna bring in the dinner. I think I'm gonna put the gifts on the bed, so when she open her eyes, she'll see the gifts on the bed. But I'm gonna have the kids bring in the dinner, and just surprise her. I know she's probably gonna definitely love this. Not probably, she will definitely love this. You know what I mean? So I want to vlog it and take you guys along with me. Subscribe to Poppy Show if you haven't done so. I know you're gonna love this one. Make sure you like this video, okay? And share it out. We need to spread love. Share this video to somebody. Somebody would love to see this. Believe me, it's gonna be fun and it's gonna have a lot of love in it. So share it out, guys. And to all the couples, to all the people out there who are celebrating love, happy Valentine's Day to you guys. Happy Valentine's Day from Poppyshowja. Stick around and come with us, okay?
I'm just gonna trust what you're saying. You never planned. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never planned. I know that you work every trial. Feel good if I stay and be patient.
Okay guys, so I just picked up the cupcakes from Nothing Bun Cake. Now I'm heading to get the gifts and also the groceries. Then I'll be heading home to make dinner. I'm also gonna decorate the room. I might show you a bit of me decorating the room and definitely show you me preparing the dish, okay?
Trust what you're saying. You never planned. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never planned. I know that you work every trial. Feel good if I stay and be patient.
Guys, it's so cold outside, but I just finished my shopping and I'm heading home now to get the room decorated and start making dinner. I have like about 3 hours. It's not that long, but I'll get it done. Alright, so just go and stay tuned and I'm gonna love this.
Ooh, yeah, move up, yeah. You kicked out my feet, perfect love, yeah. Darkness and shadows go fall in the battle. I think your kingdom is come, yeah. I cannot run, yeah. Surrender, you fill up my cup, yeah. Reason to strive, yeah. You look me in the eye, I've been your son, yeah. I thought that I was going out my mind. I was lost, but then you came and saved my life. I had nothing, then you came and made it right.
Okay guys, so I'm back home and what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna start decorating my bedroom. So I won't show you the finished product. I want you to see it when honey gets home. But I'm gonna start the decorating and I'm gonna change my sheets. I'm gonna do a bit of lighting, like a decoration stuff. You see me I say? Then I'm gonna head down to the kitchen to start making dinner.
I'm just gonna trust what you're saying. You never planned. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never planned. I know that you work every trial. Feel good if I stay and be patient. When I walk in the valley, yeah, yeah, you're there with me, yeah, yeah. Letting go worries, letting go doubt, letting go fears, yeah. My weakness strong when it's in your strength. Pride is gone, better catch my breath. Gotta give it all hands on deck. You done it before, so do it again. Cause I won't beat you the most. Cause I know you got me, so that's all she wrote. Cause you are the one I am trusting. I'ma give it all to you. No. I'm just gonna trust right what y'all say. You never play. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you say. You never play. I know that you work every trial for good if I stay and be patient.
Guys, I'm done with the room. I'm heading downstairs now to start dinner, okay?
She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get drop kicked. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, can you top this? I came from where them boys do you top list. It get crazy around here in my section. All of my ops get to stepping. Know how long I had prayed for these blessings. Took my L's and turned them to lessons. I go take it, I'm not in the begging. If I'm breaking bread, it's only with the brethren. I need the top, cause that's where I'm heading. Yeah, she want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. I came up from the bottom, now look at me now, they mad at me. I cannot slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Yeah, ooh. I'm moving faster than lightning. I can't close on my eyes, too excited. It's the fruit of what you get for trying. Don't be selling no more, I'm just buying. I got to everything that you eyeing. Put my boots on and turn to a giant. This is fact, ain't no fictional writing. If I want to, I go right into hiding. Me and my lady somewhere on the island. I came up in a war zone where it's violent. Either end up a victim or a tyrant. Nobody did it like this, nobody ever. Told myself it would get better. Wrote it and meant every letter. Now we flood the city, it's never been wetter. She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. I came up from the bottom, now look at me now, they mad at me. I cannot slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get drop kicked. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, can you top this? I came from where them boys do you top list. It get crazy around here in my section. All of my ops get to stepping. Know how long I had prayed for these blessings. Took my L's and turned them to lessons. I go take it, I'm not in the begging. If I'm breaking bread, it's only with the brethren. I need the top, cause that's where I'm heading. Yeah, she want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. I came up from the bottom, now look at me now, they mad at me. I cannot slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Yeah, ooh. I'm moving faster than lightning. I can't close on my eyes, too excited. It's the fruit of what you get for trying. Don't be selling no more, I'm just buying. I got to everything that you eyeing. Put my boots on and turn to a giant. This is fact, ain't no fictional writing. If I want to, I go right into hiding. Me and my lady somewhere on the island. I came up in a war zone where it's violent. Either end up a victim or a tyrant. Nobody did it like this, nobody ever. Told myself it would get better. Wrote it and meant every letter. Now we flood the city, it's never been wetter. She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. I came up from the bottom, now look at me now, they mad at me. I cannot slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me.
Okay guys, so I just heard the garage open. So she's coming in the house right now. So we're actually at the top of the stairs because we have to stop her before she come up the stairs and go in the room. We don't want her in the room right now, right? So as soon as she enter the stairs, we're gonna stop her, okay? All right, so wait for it.
Girl, let me call you back. I'm gonna call you back. All right.
Mom.
What's this?
Mom.
Hi, Ziz.
Hi.
Hi. What's up? What y'all doing?
Okay, so we have a surprise for you.
Surprise.
Yep, but you have to go take a shower first, right? You can't shower in our bathroom right now.
What?
No, you can't shower. You have to go use IJ's bathroom.
IJ's bathroom.
Yep.
Why?
So once you finish showering, we will let you know what's up. So just go take a shower. Take a shower and
It
then,
smells real nice though. What are you cooking?
honey, don't worry about it. Just go take your shower. And in fact, where's the blindfold? IJ, get the blindfold.
Blindfold.
Yep. We're gonna blindfold you. So,
Oh, this one. Bonnie, really?
honey, you know what I worry about it. Just come take your shower. Come.
I thought we talked.
All right, just
You don't
come.
seem that easy.
Honey, can you just come up the stairs?
I thought we said we weren't gonna do nothing.
You didn't do nothing.
Wow.
All right, so can you come take a shower?
Rose petals. Wow. Thank you, Ziz.
Yep.
Tired of Finny.
Yeah.
Oh God.
All right. Okay, guys. So she's almost out. Don't come out yet, honey. Hold on. Okay. All right, you can come out now. Yep. Then go give mom the blindfold.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So put it on from here? Or
Yeah,
at the-
put it
or
on.
At the door?
Put it on.
Oh my God.
All right, come. Just come. Then go bring mom. Go bring mom. Hold mom hand. And lead her. Come.
Hey.
Come bring her in the room.
Oh Lord. Zion, don't let me fall.
Go. Bring her in the room, Zion.
Okay. What is it?
Oh, open it.
Okay. Okay. There it is. Okay. All right. Just stand right there. Don't do nothing. Just stand right there.
Okay.
Don't do nothing. Let me give them a look of the room. Yeah.
Wow, this is really a blindfold. I can't even tell if the light is on or not.
Okay. Yeah. So just don't do nothing. Let me just show them everything first.
Wow.
Mhm.
Babes, you are so crazy.
I'm just giving them a
Wow.
Zion.
You're making me nervous. Like, hurry up.
Nervous for what? Alright. Alright. Alright, you can take it off now. And say
Hold on,
ta-da.
I'm scared. I'm scared. All right, here goes. My eyes are still closed. Open it.
Yeah. Ta-da!
You did this?
Me and the kids.
Oh, what? And lights?
Yep.
Honey.
Yeah.
The music.
So-
Babes, this is so nice.
Yep.
Let's me equal us together. They built a life they love. Wow, I'm speechless.
Yep. So
And
there.
gifts?
Yep. So you wanna take a look at the first gift?
Wow.
Happy
I don't know
Valentine's
what to
Day.
say.
All right. So the first gift. I don't think you can show them that one.
Oh, okay.
Ow, hi.
Thank you, babes. Oh, you know, I needed this. I was out of this. Thank you so much.
I'm gonna say we can give them a sneak peek into the bag. Okay.
There's the funnies and stuff. And
All right. You wanna move to the next? You wanna move to the next gift now? Zion, go tell Malik to bring the dinner.
Okay.
Go tell Malik to bring the dinner.
oh, I'm getting dinner
Yep.
in bed.
No, go down there, baby. Come open that one over there.
Feeling so. I'm shaking.
Yep.
What is it, babes?
Open it.
I'm scared.
Scared of what? Scared to open gifts? Yeah, expose the wall at the front already.
Huh?
Wow. Yes. Okay.
When did you do this?
When you were sleeping at night.
Really?
Yep. Here we go. And now, all right, just put that down. And now it's time for the dinner. All right, Oni, can you just put that down and get ready for the dinner?
Oh, man.
So you have your personal
What did I do to deserve all of this?
Poppy Show portrait. All right, dinner.
Dinner. Wow.
So we have Malik bringing that. Where's the fork?
Wow. Thank you, guys. Where's the fork? Malik's out of my pocket.
And then we have IJ with the mashed potatoes.
Wow. Thank you, IJ. Wow. And wine.
And then the wine. Zion, be careful, baby.
Wow.
Yep.
Y'all help that cook?
Wait, no, I could all by myself.
Oh, wow. IJ said he cooked all by himself.
You want to buy?
Oh, wow.
Wow, honey. I'm speechless. Like, I'm seriously speechless. This is amazing. Like, I was coming home and I was so tired, and I'm like, okay, you know, I'm just gonna go take a shower, eat, and then go straight to bed. But man, like, you exceed my expectations.
Wow.
Guys, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alrighty. So I'm gonna, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed this vlog. And as always, make sure to say thumbs up the video. Subscribe to Poppy Show if you haven't done so. And share it with somebody. You know someone have a love that video, you know what I mean? So just share it to somebody, man. Share it with somebody. And big up for pop stars them. Trending Boss, TR Show, Nicola Pitt. Big up on herself. And Full of Attitude. Big up on herself. So this is our Valentine's vlog. We hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, guys. Peace.
I'm just gonna trust right what you're saying. You never play. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never play. I know that you work every trial for good if I stay and be patient. Ooh, yeah, move up. Yeah, you kicked out my view, perfect love. Yeah.